SugarCRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering SugarCRM, watch this before you make a decision. SugarCRM is a powerful customer relationship management platform designed primarily for small to medium-sized businesses looking to improve their sales, marketing, and customer service processes. It's best known for its customizability and flexibility, but it's not perfect. And I'll break down the key pros and cons to help you decide if it's right for your business. First, let's talk about what makes SugarCRM stand out. One of its biggest strengths is its open source nature, which means you can heavily customize it to fit your business needs. It offers core CRM features like contact management, lead tracking, sales automation, marketing campaigns, and customer support tools. The platform is designed to help businesses manage the entire customer lifecycle, from generating leads to closing deals to providing ongoing support. SugarCRM also integrates with third-party tools like MailChimp, Slack, and Microsoft Teams, which is essential if your team is already using these tools. Now, who is SugarCRM for? It's best suited for companies that want more control over their CRM without being locked into rigid, cookie-cutter solutions. If you have a tech-savvy team or a dedicated IT department, SugarCRM's flexibility is a huge advantage. However, if you're a small business owner with limited technical knowledge, the platform might feel overwhelming at first. Unlike more user-friendly CRMs like HubSpot or Zoho, SugarCRM has a steeper learning curve. Customizing it requires some technical expertise, especially if you're self-hosting the community edition. In terms of pricing, SugarCRM offers multiple editions, starting with SugarSell for sales automation, SugarMarket for marketing, and SugarServe for customer support. However, it's not the cheapest CRM out there. The paid plans start at around $52 per user per month, and the price can go up significantly if you need more advanced features. While it's a great long-term investment for growing businesses, startups on a tight budget might find the cost prohibitive. A key downside to note is that SugarCRM's UI can feel a bit outdated compared to competitors. The design isn't as sleek or modern as HubSpot or Salesforce, which might frustrate users who value aesthetics and ease of use. Additionally, customer support isn't as robust as you might expect for a premium CRM. While there's a knowledge base and community forum, direct support often requires an additional cost. In summary, SugarCRM is best for businesses that need deep customization and flexibility. If you want a CRM that you can mold to your exact specifications and have the resources to maintain it, SugarCRM is a solid choice. But if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution that works right out of the box, you might be better off with alternatives like HubSpot or Zoho. Make sure to weigh your business's needs before committing.